Porn acting.
Hindi ko alam kung saan sisimulan. Ang alam ko lang, ikaw ang unang lalaki nagmahal sa akin. You were always there to take care of me in your own special way. When things didn't go my way,
Oh, ba't sad ka?
alam mo kung paano pagandahin ang araw ko.
Sapatos ba yan or sapatos? It's okay. Don't cry.
At pag nasa tabi kita, I know I'll be okay. Parang hindi ka naubusan ng paraan para pangitiin ako.
Dahil brave ang little girl ko. Ito, yung burger. Pampasaya.
So much memories. Papa, you've done so much for me. Di na ako little girl, pero I'll always be your girl.
Awesome is literally I told him. Awesome is literally I told him.
No further lanes.
Awesome is literally I told him. Awesome is literally I told him. Awesome is literally I told him.
Thank you, Pa, for showing me how I deserve to be loved.
Okay. Fried chicken. Poke.
Oh my. Is that Ron?
It's been a year since we broke up.
Never thought I'd see him here. Everything's coming back.
Juan, ako na.
It's okay, I got this.
Iba siya sa lahat ng nakilala ko. You want me to drive?
Okay lang, kaya ko na to.
She can very well take care of herself. And I admire her for it.
And that's how I've always been. Ron, so sorry. Nag-extend kami ng coach ko. I grabbed something on the way because I was super hungry.
Nag-order pa naman ako para sa ating dalawa.
Okay lang yan. Take out ko na lang.
Yun lang, nakakalimutan niya ako kahit sa mga simpleng bagay.
Oh, di ba yan yung K-drama na gusto mong panoorin natin? Panoorin natin mamaya?
Sorry, episode 6 na ako. Pwede niya ba na lang? Admittedly, there were times na hindi ko siya naiisip. By the way, nagkayayaan kami ng girls. I got tickets na for all of us for next month.
Tickets?
To Seoul.
Seoul? Eh di ba matagal na nating planong pumunta doon together?
Han, okay lang yun. Next time, tayo naman.
Tayo. Eh para sa'yo, para namang walang tayo eh.
Tuloy, she pushed people away.
Ba't di mo ako maintindihan?
Miles, lagi na lang. Lagi na lang kasi. I'm sorry. I'm done.
Okay, fine. Edi we're done. But I didn't mean to hurt him.
And not just on Twitch.
Relax, Ron. Relax.
Ang awkward nito. Hi.
Hi.
You wanna sit down?
Okay lang?
Yeah, sure.
kamusta?
I'm good. Ikaw?
Okay naman.
What is this language? Why are you switching between 30 languages? I don't understand. Like fucking.
Tapos yung shorts na binili mo na ba?
The fuck?
Sorry. Hello? Yeah. Here lang ako sa Jollibee. Yeah, okay, ingat. See you. I have to go, Ron. Sorry.
It's the boyfriend.